All right, so Phil, so I just showed you the Google Naked Link. You've been getting reviews now for, I don't know, for a month or two.
Yep.
You got 44 reviews in a month.
Yep.
And you just found out about the Google Naked Link, and you were sending people like this link that was like...
The link I was sending was it's like a super long link, and then it's just like, I tried finding ways to shorten it, but that's the way to shorten it. It actually brings them right to the review.
Right, so right to it's what we call the review box.
Yep.
So do you see how much easier that's going to be?
Type and post. You can't make it easier.
So what you were doing though is you were sending to a link that sent them to like your page, and then you have to scroll up or down in order to, you have to count them finding where to leave the review.
Right.
With this, there's no looking or
that
anything.
is right.
So show them your.
It doesn't get easier.
Yeah, show them your phone so we can see. Okay.
So that's the link.
Yep. Click on it, and then boom, and then watch. Wait for it. Kablammy. Right.
That's it.
That makes it easy, right? Okay. So how many more reviews are you gonna get now? A lot more, probably.
Probably.
So he just less. So just so you know, he just figured out how to use the Google Naked Link.
Oh, really?
So he got the.
I was creating my own link.
He created his own link,
Okay.
and even though I trained on it last time, it's the stuff so now so you guys aren't even using the Google Naked Link,
No.
and so now he's going to start using the Google Naked Link, which is going to make it even easier.
What can I do to get the Google Naked Link to all of my texts today?
I can.
Have him send it to you, and then send it in that mass text.
Okay,
Yep.
says, can you send me that again?
Yep.
And I
Yep.
will make sure all the techs get it and explain it to them.
Yep.
Next week I'm meeting with every tech,
Okay.
and I'll fully explain it to them.
Okay. Cool. Thanks.